Most Angular developers only scratch the surface with ngClass. Let me show you 4 powerful techniques you need to know. The most powerful approach is object syntax. You create an object where property names are your CSS classes and the values are Boolean expressions. When the expression is true, Angular applies that class. Here, the active class gets applied when isActive is true, and disabled when isDisabled is true. This gives you precise conditional control over every class. For simpler cases where you just need multiple classes without conditions, use array syntax. Pass an array of class names as strings. Angular applies all of them to the element. This works great when you're pulling class names from component properties or computed values. You can bind ngClass to component properties or methods for dynamic evaluation. Define your class object in the component, and Angular reevaluates it automatically when properties change. You can even use ternary operators inline for simple conditions, like applying success or error based on a status check. Here's a pro tip: combine static classes with ngClass on the same element. Use the regular class attribute for classes that never change, like base styles. Then layer on ngClass for dynamic classes. Angular merges them intelligently, giving you both consistency and flexibility without class name conflicts. Master ngClass with object syntax for conditions, arrays for multiple classes, and combine them with static classes. Practice these patterns and you'll handle any dynamic styling scenario in Angular. Thanks for watching. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.